Watch the world's first Moley Robotic Kitchen. Moley Robotics is a robotics company headquartered in London, United Kingdom that developed, created and put on the market the first robotic kitchen based on a multifunctional cooking platform. Moley Robotics was founded by Russian mathematician, computer scientist and entrepreneur Mark Oleynik in 2015 to create service robots for kitchen use. It is best known for creating the first robot kitchen, the Moley Robotic Kitchen. Mark Oleynik, a computer scientist, founded the Moley Robotics as a way to have good food at home without the skills to make it. In 6 years, Moley Robotics went from the robotic kitchen proof of concept to a market-ready robotic cooking platform. A cooking platform with a robotic system is augmented with the smart kitchen environment. A team of more than 100 engineers worldwide worked on creating Moley Robotic Kitchen. The robotic kitchen was launched on 6th of December, 2020, at GITEX Technology Week in Dubai. In January 2021, Moley Robotics exhibited at CES, presenting its multifunctional kitchen platform in detail. At these two exhibitions, Moley Robotics showcased strong market readiness, preparing around a dozen dishes, including various pastas, soups, risotto and low-calorie dishes. In total, the recipe library can fit up to 5,000 meals. The company mission emphasizes that it aims to improve quality of life and health by combining innovative technology and nutrition in every home and commercial institution.